Very good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see in the gravitation what is the difference between the mass and the weight. In the previous class, what are the concepts we have seen? We have seen as what do you mean by about
Gravity.
the universal law of gravitation. How does it work? It will work by product of the masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So the formula is gravitational constant G, m1 m2 by r square. Then after that, what are all the concepts we have read? Free fall, and another one is acceleration due to gravity. So these are the three concepts we have seen in this previous class. Now today we are going to see about what do you mean by what is the differences between mass and weight. Mass and weight is, what is the difference about the mass and weight? Mass is mainly whatever the matter whichever contained in the body, that is said to be as mass. And weight is force of the gravity acting on the body, that is mass means whichever been contained inside the body, but weight means it is measured with the gravity of the body. That is, for example, if you are going to the shop and you, for example, if you need to buy a sugar, so for buying a sugar, what the shopkeeper will do? He will
Make some stones.
make them some weighing machine. That is, in the weighing machine, he will keep that weighing stone. So in that weighing stone, what he will do? Half kg means half kg, 500 gram. 500 gram weighing stone, he will keep it in the weighing machine. Likewise, 1 kg means 1 kg. If it 1 kg has been come like this, then only they can able to identify as gravity is acting on the body. And that weighing machine is acting on the body for finding out how much of the weight has been considered for this product. The next one is, it is the measure of inertia of a body. And this one is similar. Weight means it is the measure of the gravity. The next one is, mass is a constant quantity. Weight is not a constant quantity. Why we are saying as weight is not a constant quantity? Because weight, it will be deferred, right? Whether constantly any value is there? No, it's not there at all. So mass is a fixed one, but weight is not having a constant quantity. Constant quantity means what? What is the meaning of the quantity?
Quantity means the
Numbers. How many? 1 or 2 or 3, 100 or 1000 or 2000 or 3000, like this. It has only magnitude alone in mass, but in weight
No
it has
magnitude,
no magnitude. It has magnitude as well as direction. Both it really does.
What is meant by magnitude, sir?
Magnitude means mainly how does it will be taking off. Then its SI unit is for kilogram. Here the SI unit is the same. That's all about the difference of mass and weight. So next one is, if you have any doubt, please ask me. Hari Prasad, Shankar, anyone are having doubt?
No, sir.
Magnitude means mainly it will be the size of the earthquake. Okay? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is, why is the weight of the object on the moon 1/6 of its weight on the earth? They are asking the weight of the object. We can have that weight of the object. So 1/6 of its weight of the earth. Object equal to 1/6 multiply weight of the earth. So now first one, what we are going to see?
Mass of the earth.
Mass of the earth. First of all, we need to know, they mention as moon earth. So moon earth means, first of all, the earth perspective, what is the mass? Mass of the earth. Mass of the earth we can mention as capital M E. Then in the earth, what they have said, weight of the object we need to check. Weight of the object means what we need to mention?
M.
M. Object on the surface of the earth. RE. RE means what? Radius of the earth. So, in this meanwhile, what are all the things we are going to do it? So, according to universal law of gravitation, according to universal law of gravitation, what is the formula? G m1 m2 by r square. So, what I have asked the question? Weight of the object. So, weight of the object means WE. Surface of the earth is what? According to the universal law of gravitation, weight means, how we can prescribe? Weight of the object equal to WE. Weight of the object. So, now what we need to do? Weight of the object, WE. Weight of the object is on the surface of the earth is, according to the universal law of gravitation, weight of the object on the surface of the earth is given by WE equal to G m1 m2. m1 is what? Me. G mass of the earth. m2 means object on the surface of the earth. R means what? Radius of the earth. So R square E. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So WE equal to GME and GME M by R square E. ME. So then one thing, for the moon perspective, what we are going to write it? Mass and radius of the moon. M and RM means is mass of the moon and radius of the moon. So now WM means what? Object on the surface of the moon. Object on the surface of the moon. WM means object on the.
So WM means weight of the moon, sir.
Yes. Yeah, that's what. WM means what we are saying. Mainly, we are saying as weight of the object of the surface of the moon. Like this, you can mention. Once again, WM means weight of the object of the surface of the moon. So weight M. How we are going to do? WM equal to G for M. Here earth means, here earth you have applied it. So likewise for MM, mass means how we are going to apply it? M. Then M2 means what? The same M, only just M by
R square.
R
M square.
M square. Okay. So now what we are going to calculate it? WM and WE. We are going to divide it. Okay.
Mass of the.
This is second equation. This is first equation. Yeah, tell me.
Mass of the earth means W M, sir.
Yes.
And the weight of the earth means WE.
Weight of the M, mass, weight of the
Earth, WE.
Yeah, weight of the earth is WA, weight of the mass is WM. So now what we need to do? We need to calculate with moon. Okay? Moon. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Radius MM means mass of the moon. WM mass, weight of the moon. So weight of the moon divided by
Mass of the moon.
weight of the earth. How mass of the earth will come? Tell me here.
Weight of the earth by mass.
Yeah. So WM by WE.
Gravitation.
By R square M by WE is what? G M E M by R square E. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, how we are going to do? G-M-M by R square M into R square E by G-M-E-M. When we are taking this one, this R square E will come as numerator and denominator. Okay?
Yes, sir.
G cancelled. M cancelled. So Wm by We equal to M R square E by Me R square M.
Square M.
Okay. Now we need to calculate the values. We need to know the values. Values. You need to remember all the values. Where mass of the earth is how much? Mass of the moon is how much?
Weight of the earth.
Weight of the earth.
Weight of the moon.
Weight of the moon. By this we need to calculate the values. Okay. So mass of the earth is how much? Mass of the earth is 5.98. 5.98 into 10 power 24 kilogram. Mass of the moon is how much? Mass of the moon is 7.36 into
10 by
10 power 22 kilogram. That is, mass of the moon is 7.36 into 10 power 22 kilogram. Then radius of the earth is how much? 6.4 into 10 power
10 power 6
10 power 6
meter.
meter. Is it correct?
Yes,
6.4 into 10 power 6. Okay. Radius of the moon is how much?
1.74
Into
10 power 6
10 power 6
meter.
meter. So you need to know these values. You need to remember it. Okay.
Yes.
So once after solving this, you need to remember these values. You need to solve these values in this equation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, have you taken a note of this? Okay. Please can you make a note of it? Please take a note of it. The next, by these values, once we are getting solved, Wm by We equal to mass of the moon. How much? 7.36 into 10 power 22 into R square E. So Re is 6.4 into 10 power 6 whole square by Me. Mass of the earth is how much? 5.98 into 10 power 24 into Rm is how much? 1.74 into 10 power 6 whole square. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now 6.4 whole square we are going to write it. 6.4 into 6.4 how much? 4 4s are 16. Balanced 1. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 6 4s are 24. Balanced 2. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 38. So 40.96. 7.36 into 10 power 22 into 40.96 into 10 power 12 by 5.98 into 10 power 24 into 1.74 into 1.74. How much? 4 4s are 16. Balance 1. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 1 29. Balance 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. So likewise I will multiply it. 12. 4 digits. So 34 digits means 3.0276 into 10 power 12. So now 10 power 12 cancelled. So here 10 power 24. So we are multiplying everything. 0.165 will come. So 1 by 6 of the weight on the earth. Okay?
Okay.
This is what the answer which will come. That's all.